Subtract 1,021,948 minus 1,019,493. Whenever you add or subtract, make sure everything is lined up. So I'm going to write out my first number, 1,021,948, and make sure everything here is lined up. So that 3 goes under that 8, and that 9 goes under that 4. Make sure everything lines up perfectly. Otherwise, this will not work. Now we are subtracting. So 8 minus 3 is 5. No big deal. 4 minus 9, I can't do it. So let's borrow 1 from 8 and make you a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow from the 2 to make you a 1. And 11 minus 9 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we drop down our commas and realize all of this stuff over here, I don't need it. So we end up with 2,455. And that's our answer.